Estefania in Wonderland. Many years ago, a girl named Estefania had a little strange dream in which she lived on a magical island. When she grew up, she believed that those dreams were the product of her imagination. Or she dreamed that she defeated a great dragon very generated wounds in her hands, and when she woke up, he felt the sensation of burns in his hands. She lived in a city, so she lived a very routine life without any magic. So in her dreams, it was when she was really happy, until one day, while she was in the library reading one of her favorite books, she saw that one of the images of fairy godmother came to life. So she was impressed and could not see what she was observing. From one moment to another a fairy godmother came out of a book. She could not believe what was happening, and this fairy godmother sprang a magical powder on her body that made her appear from one moment to another in the magical island of her dreams. The fairy godmother told her that she should follow her while she followed her on the road. She observed different objects such as clothes and furniture that walked and had life. Also, the animals had a strange appearance. For example, she saw unicorns and eels on the school speak. She came to a mountain. There was a giant. The giant told her that she could help him improve his island and recover his treasure. Estefania decided to ask him how she could help it back. The giant mentioned that she had to befriend the dragon, and that way she would know where the treasure was and she would then recover it. Estefania remembered the book that was on her hand, so she was very scared, but she still wanted to help because she was always very supportive with others. Estefania accepted the proposal, and the giant told her that during her journey she could meet giant insects that eat others. The giant gave her a guide, a fairy godmother, a talking cube, and a unicorn who would accompany her on her journey. During her journey, Estefania had to go through many difficulties. She saw giant animals. The dragon remembered her because he hated her, because he already knew her intention, but the cool told Estefania that the way for him to trust her is to return her most precious object, which was a precious stone, to be more exact, a ruby. Time passed, and she was able to find where the treasure was located when she opened it and found a photo of her. Estefania did not understand what was happening. She decided to talk with her cube. She told him that for the island to not disappear is to always remember them in his imagination. From that day, in her dreams, she always returns to the magic island, and she meets her friends. 10.